Hello, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
We're the Slow-Mo guys, and we would consider ourselves to be experts in the field of slow motion.
Now, clues in the name, really.
We did name ourselves appropriately.
So for the last 7 years, we've been filming everything in super slow motion, from me slicing stuff in half with the katana to
You being crushed by a 6-foot balloon full of water.
along with a myriad of other things. So we're really excited about the new Samsung Galaxy S9. There it is.
There you go.
Gets 960 frames a second, which is unreal.
That is not messing about.
So we're excited to share with you some know-how that we've learned over the last 6 or 7 years so that you can get your very own epic footage out of everyday life.
Epic.
Like this. And this. And this.
Oh! It got me!
Got you?